Hey subscribers! Welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today, how do you import video into Prisma3d app? Let's get started. First, open Alight Motion. Add background transparent and size 1:1. Then add video and click on 3 dot and click the file composition area. After that, click on Effects, then click the plus button and then add Chroma key, then adjust. Then, click this arrow, then click Image Sequence, and then Import. After importing, import these 40 images into Prisma3d. Before importing, create a project in the Prisma3d app. After creating the project, open GED Archiver. After opening GED Archiver, copy your video file. After copying, open Android, then open Data, then open the Prisma3d legacy file. After that, open Files, then open Projects, then open the project you created. Then open Res, then paste, then extract here. Then open Prisma3d Legacy. Since there are 40 images, copy the plan 40 times. After this, add the image on all plans. Add keyframe -1 and plan scale 0. Add keyframe 0 and plan scale 1. Add keyframe 1 and plan scale 1. Keyframe 2, scale 1. Keyframe 3, scale 0. Copy keyframes. Paste the plan onto the keyframe before the last keyframe. For example, if the last keyframe is 3, the keyframe before it is 2. Paste the copied animation onto the plan on keyframe 2. Paste it onto all the plans in this way. Group all the plans, then select all the plans, copy the keyframes, and then paste them. If you understood anything from this video, then like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.